Well, it was the fall that could have been disastrous. You want to watch here as a driver narrowly misses getting clobbered by a falling pine tree. This near miss happened during the high winds that pummeled us yesterday afternoon.
WBZ's Mike LaCrosse reports from Leicester, where police say they're not even sure the driver knew what happened.
And I just happened to look up and it came down. It's like slow motion.
Leicester police officer Derek Ruth sees the large pine tree as it's about to fall onto a passing car.
The tree was like slow-mo as the car passed me. I was like, oh no, it's gonna hit that car.
You can see Officer Ruth's cruiser on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. He was taking a left out of the police station just before 1 Sunday afternoon. If he pulled out a few seconds earlier, the tree would have hit him.
I put my lights on immediately as soon as I saw it fall, and there was a couple cars that were just about to hit it as well.
Video of the falling tree was caught on the police department's surveillance camera on Route 9. The black sedan was heading west towards Spencer when the tree started to fall. When you slow down the footage, you can see the tree and its shadow directly over the car before it slams into the road.
That was such a close call. If I were that person, I'd run right into a store and pick up a lottery ticket because it was definitely his lucky day.
Police say the driver kept going and probably doesn't even realize how close this tree came to hitting them.
Whoever the person that happened to, that maybe they can see it on camera now and be grateful that, you know, someone was watching out for them.
Officer Ruth is certainly grateful someone was watching out for him and is thankful no one was injured. Reporting from Leicester, I'm Mike LaCrosse, WBZ News.
Mike, thank you.